Are you getting the frustrating error message the application was unable to start correctly 0xc00005 on your Windows PC? This error can happen in Windows 11, 10, 8, or even 7, and it's usually related to application conflicts or system corruption. Don't worry, in this video, we will walk you through several easy methods to fix it. Let's get started. Sometimes, the error is due to outdated or incomplete Windows updates. Updating your Windows version may resolve the issue. If the error persists, disabling dep for the specific program can help. Here's how to do it. Another possible cause of error 0xc00005 is faulty or incompatible RAM. Running a memory diagnostic test will help determine if this is the issue. Sometimes, the easiest solution is to reinstall the problematic application or software. Uninstall it, download the latest version, and install it again. If the error started appearing after recent changes to your system, performing a system restore may fix it. And there you have it, 7 methods to fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xc00005 error in Windows. If one solution doesn't work, try another, and let us know in the comments which one helped you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting tips.